If you're paying for AI right now, stop what you're doing and watch this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GPT-5, Gemini 3 Pro, Grok, and Sora 2 completely free with unlimited access. No subscriptions, no trials, no credit card. And this isn't some watered-down version. This is full access to top AI models for image generation, video creation, coding, deep research, and more without paying a single dollar. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Welcome. So the tool's name is LM Arena. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to come to this website. Now, when you first come to this website, it might look like your normal ChatGPT or Gemini interface, but this tool can actually do a whole lot of things right here on this dashboard. First of all, let me show you a few things so you understand how this tool works. If you look up here, you'll see Battle Mode, Side by Side, and Direct Chat. If you leave it on Battle Mode, whatever you ask it to generate will be done using two AI models randomly, so you won't know which particular model is being used until after the result is generated. Now, when you choose Side by Side, you can manually select two different models and generate results side by side. For example, you can compare models like Gemini 3 Pro and Grok 4.1 using images or videos. Now, the one I personally like is Direct Chat. This allows me to select exactly which AI model I want to use. From here, I can select Gemini 3 Pro, Grok 4.1, Claude, Ernie, ChatGPT, and many other AI models. Now, if you're in battle mode, you'll see options like this. You can upload an image and do whatever you want with it. You can turn on Auto, which allows LM Arena to automatically decide which model to use based on your prompt. You can also do deep research, generate images, build apps or websites, and the most important one I'll be talking about in this video is video generation. Just like I always do, I already have several prompts prepared for this video. We'll be generating images, videos, thumbnails, and apps, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. And as always, I'll leave all the prompts used in this video in the description or the pinned comment. All right, for best results, I'm going to select Direct Chat because this gives me full control over which model I want to use. In this case, I can choose Gemini Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, Grok, and several other models. You also have Qwen, Kimi, DeepSeek, and many other AI tools available here. And keep in mind, all of these tools are completely free. You're not paying a single penny. Image generation. To start, I'm going to generate images using Gemini 3 Pro. So I'll select that, then I'll copy my first prompt and paste it here. I'll make sure the image toggle is turned on so it knows I want to generate an image. You can also upload an image as a reference, but I don't need that right now. I'll just go ahead and hit Send. Now, when I selected the Image button, it automatically switched to GPT Image instead of Gemini, and this is what it generated. You can see it created a street scene in New York City. Look at how good this looks. One thing I like is that I can also ask the model to edit this image, but I won't do that for now. I'll copy my next image prompt and paste it here. This time, I'm going to manually select the model I want. With the image toggle turned on, you can choose from GPT Image, Gemini 3 Pro, Flux, Seedream, Qwen, and many others. All of these image models are 100% free, as you can see on your screen. I'll select Gemini 3 Pro and hit Send. Let's give it a moment. All right, the image is done generating. This looks like a university campus, and you can clearly see Big Whiz Technical University written there. Now, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, here's what you do. I'll upload an image of myself, then I'll copy my thumbnail prompt, paste it here. With my image uploaded and the prompt pasted, I can choose any model I want. I'll leave it on Gemini 3 Pro, also known as Nano Banana Pro, and I'll hit Send. Let's wait a moment. All right, this is the result. This is crazy. This is actually very, very good. Now, let's move on to coding apps. I'll open a new chat and I'll toggle on the code option. I already have a prompt prepared for a to-do list app. I'll copy it, paste it here, and hit send. The app is done generating. As you can see, there are no tasks yet, so I'll add a task. I can select the due date, the priority, and the category. Let's say this one is personal and high priority. I'll add another one, set it to low priority, and choose health. When I'm done with a task, I can mark it as completed, like this. As you can see, this app is fully functional. You can download it and start using it immediately. Game development. Now, I'm going to generate a game. For this one, I'll use Claude Opus. You can also use Gemini 3 Pro, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT, but I'll use Claude Opus. I'll paste the game prompt and hit send. Let's wait a moment. All right, the game is done generating. You can play the game, turn sound on or off, and switch between light and dark mode. I'll click Play Now. I'll select Easy Mode. Okay, now I get it. You have to match the items correctly. So yeah, this actually works very well. Very, very good. Vision. Another thing I really like about LM Arena is vision. In real life, if you have a problem, you can take a picture of it, upload it here, and ask the AI for help. For example, I have an image of a faulty washing machine. I'll upload the image, then paste my prompt asking it to analyze the issue and suggest steps before calling a technician. I'll hit send. Now it explains that the F03 error code indicates a drainage fault. It gives you possible causes, steps to try yourself, and even estimated repair costs. This is very useful. Vision, messy office. Now let me upload another image. This time it's a messy office. I upload the image and ask it how to organize the space for better productivity and cleanliness. It analyzes the image and explains where to place items, what to remove, and how to improve the workspace. Deep research. Next is deep research. I'll click on Deep Research and open a new interface. For example, I'll ask about the history of World War II. I'll hit Enter. Now the research is ready. It breaks everything down into origins, causes, alliances, key battles, war crimes, and even includes sources. This would normally take hours to research. LM Arena Leaderboard. Now let me show you the leaderboard. This shows the rankings of all AI models available on LM Arena. For general use, Gemini 3 Pro is currently ranked number 1. For coding, Claude Opus is the best. For vision, Gemini 3 Pro ranks highest. For text-to-image, ChatGPT Image is currently the best. For deep research, Gemini 3 ranks highest. And for video generation, Video 3.1 Audio is the top model. All of these tools are paid tools elsewhere, but they're available here for free. Video generation, Method 1. Now, let's generate AI videos. I'll open a new chat, and I'll toggle on Video. I'll paste my first video prompt and hit Send. It generates 2 videos using different models. I'll preview both videos. I like the one on the right better, so I'll rate that one higher. You can see which model was used after rating. Now I'll generate another video. This one is about a honey badger hunting. The second video includes sound, so I'll choose that one. Discord video generation method. Currently, you can only generate videos in battle mode, not direct chat or side-by-side. If you want another way to generate videos, click Join Discord. Once you're in the LM Arena Discord server, you'll see multiple channels. People are generating videos in these channels. You can download videos or create your own. To create one, select a channel, type /video, paste your prompt, and send it. The system will notify you when the video is ready. And here it is. That's the result. So that's how you generate images, videos, deep research, apps, and websites using LM Arena completely free with top AI models like Gemini Pro, ChatGPT, Grok 4.1, Claude, Nano Banana Pro, Dance, and many more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.